Oppo launched its Reno series phone in India called the Oppo Reno 16c. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 16c features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage with microSD card expansion support. In the camera department, the Oppo Reno 16c sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.82 by 74.9 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 16c has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 46,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 49,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 55,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Starry White, Twilight Violet, and Stellar Purple color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 9th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 16c smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.